Cherokee Trailhawk. So far, what I've done to it is nothing. But today, I got my first purchase. My first purchase in, keeping with the theme of somewhat doing this on the cheap, on a budget. My first purchase has been some cross rails. And these cross rails, I don't even know what brand they are. OMAC, I think. I don't know. I bought them through Walmart. I know they're not gonna be top of the line, not gonna be the best ones out there. I think they'll look okay. I think they'll look good. I don't know. I'm excited to see kind of, let's see a little bit about how they work out. You know, I've never put on cross rails, never used cross rails, never used a basket, never used any of that stuff. So everything here is new. It's new to me. All right, so let's dive into these. These are the OMAC cross rails from Walmart, and weight wise, I think he said 165 pounds. 165 pounds was what I was reading, which, goodness gracious, they do not want those to come out. Maybe if I had a bigger knife. Bigger knife. Whoop. Alright. Here, well, got a couple rails. They are. Like that. Caps. Little hardware. Rubber pieces. We'll see what all we got here. We'll dive in and see what we got. I could use some English. Where's your English? Ah, there we go. Insert the wick to your crossbar. This could take a minute. Alright, so let's take a look at how these go on. So what you've got your end there. It's a little Allen wrench in, and so you're looking at a 5 mil, and it's just going to go in like that and spin. But what I found on these is to get them actually attached, you pretty much have to take this whole end off, unscrewed, You got a little rubber flap here that'll kind of fall out, but you can easily get it back on there. Then you're gonna kind of pop it back up here and line back up your slide, and then find your bolt hole, push her in, and then you're gonna screw all this together, get it good and tight. Watch out for your caps on these ends, because if it's not lined up real good, this little cap, this little cap right there will pop off. So then you end up missing that, which kind of stinks. Now all you have to do, get that little 5mm jobby, just crank it right down. So now once you've got that all done, I do like the fact that you have the keyed cap here. So, you know, comes with 2 keys, which I just have them on here. So it comes with the 2 keys. So you just put your key in there, let that sucker up like that, and she locks on. Covers up that so nobody can take off your, nobody can take your crossbars off. So there you have it. We got crossbars on, and here's what happens whenever the little cap pops out. It'll pop off if you shift this little clamp over too far one way or the other. So I can pop that cap back on. So here's what it kind of looks like from the back here. See that? Looks good. Works good. Should be good. Sun's a little bit bright on this side, but we kind of have a peek from the side. So there you go. There's the setup. Put the basket on there. You're ready to rock and roll, or whatever you might want to put up there. So the OMACs, not bad at all. Hey, just want to say real quick, if you liked the video, if you enjoyed what you just saw here and you want to see more of it, hey, hit that like button, all right? Like the video. I'd appreciate it. Throw some comments in there if you have any questions. Like I said in the beginning, I'm kind of trying to do this as inexpensive as possible whenever I do some of this overlanding. So if you have any questions, where I found it, how I put it up there, how it worked, because it's going to get used. So how well it lasts, how durable it is. Feel free to comment. I look forward to seeing those comments and those discussions. Also, if you like what we're doing on the channel, if you're enjoying the videos, if you're liking our adventures, whether they're big or small, subscribe to that channel. We'd appreciate the subscription. And don't forget that little bell down there. That little bell's perfect. It'll tell you every time I upload a video. Every time there's a video out there, a new one for you to watch. So, don't forget the bell. Alright? Hey, don't forget. Go out there and have an adventure today. Alright? Thanks for watching.